Hello friends, welcome to Nifty Intraday levels. So we'll talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and targets for Monday 20th September 2020. Before proceeding, I would like to make a disclaimer here that this video is only for educational and learning purpose. This is based on technical analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The levels mentioned in this video are all spot levels. Consult your financial advisor before taking any real positions. Uh, this is only for educational purpose, so you are responsible for your trades. If you are just considering this kind of analysis for your trades, you can access my channel using this https://www.youtube.com/c/nifty intraday levels. Let's talk about Nifty analysis of 25th September 2020. So if you see that Nifty opened at 10,910.40, it made high of 11,072, low 10,854, close at 11,050. So if you see, compared to 24 September, it opened almost 105 points up, and at the closing, at least it closed around 245 points up compared to 24 September. So currently, if I see, RSI is neutral at this moment. CCI ADX, it's a bit negative, but the MACD is positive. If I talk about support, it's at 10,894 and 10,933 at lower levels, and if I talk about resistance, at around 11,239 and 11,373 is a kind of nearest resistance at this moment. So if we talk about SMA and EMA, lower level support is at 10,880 and 10,930 at this moment. The Friday's opening was bit below this thing, but yes, I guess this should act as a support for Monday's trading. At above levels, resistance is lying at 11,277, 11,336, 11,404. So we'll talk about now changes in open interest. So this is the charts are talking about open interest in call and put for 1st October 2020 expiry. So if you see that here actually call got reduced in 10,800, 10,900, 11,000. So call unwinding happened in that places. But yes, if you see that 11,500 open interest change was a bigger one, I can see from this chart, at least on Traders trade. So if you see that net open interest, and by looking at this net open interest, I can see that 10,900 would kind of act as a support at below level, and at upside 11,500 would be a kind of resistance level for coming week till Thursday's expiry. So this is what it shows about at this moment. So now I'll just move on to so we'll talk about intraday levels, which I calculated based on the technical analysis. Uh, so levels to watch out for Monday 20 September 2020. Day range comes out to be 10,953 to 11,240. So I would recommend to buy above 11,130 for target levels 156, 183, 209, 236, 262. But if it trades below 11,103, then target should come as 11,077, 11,051, 11,025, 10,998, 10,972. So I'm expecting that it should not go below kind of 10,930. That is what my lower range for actually Monday's trading. And higher range, it can reach to 11,240. So I'm expecting that it should open at a kind of gap up opening should take place. So 11,050 was a closing, so I'm expecting that 11,120 to 150 should be a kind of opening, and from that actually it should trade kind of in this range. So this was all about kind of Nifty intraday levels. Now we'll talk Bank Nifty. So if we see that 25th September, what Bank Nifty did actually. So if we see that 20,740 was a kind of opening. High it made 11,064, low it made 20,430, and 20,982 was a kind of closing for 25th September, that is for Friday. And if we compare that with the Thursday's trade, that is 24th September, so it opened kind of to 83.95 points up actually, and then closed almost 525 points. So it was a good day on Friday for Bank Nifty, and Nifty as well. But if we talk about support, actually support comes at 20,404 and 20,821 at below levels, and upside resistance lies at 21,274 and 21,784. So simple moving averages and exponential moving averages, from that perspective, if I talk about support, the lower level support lies at 20,698, 20,787, and resistance at above levels now talks about 21,607 and 21,842. So 21,607 would kind of act as a kind of immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So RSI, ADX, CCI are kind of positive at this moment, but MACD is a bit negative. And on kind of hourly chart, it created kind of dodgy chart, but it was not that full-fledged. I can say that was a weak. So I forgot to mention here, but yes, that was the thing. So doji chart is there, but it did not make that much impact. So I guess if gap up opening is a gap up opening takes place, then definitely profit booking would come in picture, and it will show some kind of up and down in Bank Nifty as well, but the kind of range would be a bit larger, I can say, for Bank Nifty for Monday as well. So if we talk about call change and put change in open interest, if you see this 20,700 and 20,900 had a kind of good call unwinding, uh, and if you see 21,200, 300 has a kind of good change in open interest in calls actually. So 21,000 also had good thing, but put change was seen, major put change was seen at 20,500. So net open interest, if I talk about, so it talks about kind of larger range here. So 20,500 at lower level and 20,500 at this level. So this is a kind of large range for this week, the coming week till Thursday. So 21,000 is a kind of middle here, but still, if you see that 21,000 has a kind of good uh, net open interest in calls actually. So if we go above 21,000, definitely it will try to reach to 21,300 and 21,500 in shorter time span. But if it does not support to stay above 21,000, then definitely it would look for a kind of 20,500 in coming days. So yes, I mentioned already that Dodgy Star bearish, that is an hourly chart, it shows weakness, but this actually candlestick is not that much active, I can say. It's weak signal, but yes, that happened on Friday, so this kind of candlestick pattern got generated. So we'll talk about kind of Bank Nifty intraday levels from the calculations perspective, what it came out. So if you see that levels to watch out for Monday 28th September 2020, the range comes out to be 20,707 to 21,557. So I would recommend buy about 21,243 to for target 21,280, 21,316, 350, kind of 425. But yes, I'm expecting that it should go to 500, 21,500 to 21,600. So I guess if we go about 21,200 to 43, then definitely we should be in buy position. But if it not sustains 21,200 and above, then definitely it will be kind of a sell signal would get generated, and 21,206 below actually target would be kind of 170, 133, 97, 61, 25, and maybe 21,900. No, sorry, 20,900. So I'm expecting that it should trade in this range. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Have a nice day.